Yummy. I'm Leo. Welcome to our school.
It is the first day of school. Ryan holds his bag tightly.
The big classroom door.
Inside, there are new faces, new names, new everything.
Today, whoa, we find out. Good morning, everyone. Today, we have 2 new friends. Please welcome Ryan and Yummy. Hey, Ryan and Yummy. Hi, Ryan. Hi, Yummy. Welcome to our class. Hello, Ryan. Hello, Yummy. Hello. Hi, everyone. Okay, please take your seats now. Hi, Yummy. My name is Leo. Hello, Leo. Hello, Leo. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Like the school? Yes, it looks very nice. Hello, Ryan. Welcome to our class. My name is Maya. Hello. If you need anything, you can ask me. That is very kind of you. Thank you, Maya. Ryan feels something new. Something warm. Maybe today will be okay.
Class, today we will start with a simple activity. Everyone, please introduce yourself one by one.
My name is Leo. I like drawing.
Very good, Leo.
My name is Maya. I like reading stories.
Excellent, Maya. Ryan,
Would you like to say something?
Ryan stands up. He takes a breath.
My name is Ryan. I like playing with cars.
Yummy Val, your turn.
Yay! Okay. You got this.
Yummy Val, your turn.
Yay! Okay.
You got this. Nice.
I like cars too. My name is Yummy. I like painting and singing. Wonderful. Maybe you can sing for us someday. Sure had. I would love that.
Let's all clap for our new friends.
Welcome, Ryan and Yummy. Thank you, everyone. For the first time today, Ball, they belong here.
Good morning, class. I am Mr. David. I will teach you math today.
Hello, Mr. David.
I see we have 2 new students. Welcome, Ryan and Yummy.
Hi.
Hello. Today we will learn numbers. Do you like math?
Oh, yes. Yes, yes.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's start with counting. Everyone, count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 9, 10.
Ryan Zion, can you count from 1 to 5?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good, Ryan.
Yummy, can you count from 6 to 10? 6, 7.
Wonderful, Yummy. Leo, would you like to try?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Perfect. Time for a short break.
Yay! Tuk, san, 7, nath, at, 9, 10. Outside in the sunshine, Leo holds a ball. Do you want to play ball? Yes! I like playing ball. I will watch first, then we can all play together. Here, Ryan Bow, catch! Go! Got it! Here, Leo. Maya, catch! Ha! Got it! Ryan, catch! Yummy! Do you want to try? Okay, I will try. Yeah! I caught it! Yay! Ah! This is what a good day feels like.
Good afternoon, class. My name is Miss Anna. I will teach you art today. Take out your crayons and notebooks. Today, we will do a simple drawing. Let's draw a house. First wall, draw a square. Take out your crayons and notebooks. Today, we will do a simple drawing. Let's draw a house. First wall, draw a square. Let's draw a house. First whir, draw a square.
Yes!
Now draw a triangle on top. Now draw a triangle on top. Teacher, I finished! Nice drawing, Ryan. Thank you. Yay! Add a door and 2 windows.
Teacher, can I color it? Yes. Color your house any color you like. Pink, blue, green, yellow. This is the end of our class. You did a great job on your first day. Thank you, teacher.
Hello, kids. How was your first day?
It was fun, Dad. We made new friends.
We learned numbers.
And we drew a house.
I can't wait to come back tomorrow. Me too. Today was the best first day. New friends. See you in the next story. Another new day is waiting. Bye-bye.
Now draw a triangle on top of the square, children. Hey, I got it. That's right.